And what extent do you think language plays a role in the transmission of culture and values between generations?
I think that may be one of the things I like about Yiddish. Language conveys identity to a degree. It becomes almost a manifestation of belonging. If my daughter, who definitely did not grow up hearing much Yiddish spoken, she heard some Yiddish, but not much less than I did, uses Yiddish words as, I think, a way of establishing connection. I think so much is about connection, and I think for me, it's about connection. I like being connected here because it enables me to be connected to my culture, to the family I never knew, to relatives I don't know. There's an exhibit here at the Book Center of pictures taken in 1912 by a writer who was traveling through what was then the Pale of Settlement. It's now the Ukraine. And these pictures look like they could have been taken 300 years ago, not 100 years ago. It looks like the Middle Ages. And I'm fascinated that I'm only 2 generations removed from those pictures, that it's remotely possible that those are relatives looking back at me. And so I feel connected to a heritage that I can't touch, that I never even really knew, through language, through culture. And I think that language is a powerful force. If you know what a schnurrer is, then you can say that to somebody, and there's an immediate bond. And it's very interesting to me in that regard.